Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cannabis Network. I am your host, Dr. Sikandar Sidhu, and in today's episode, I wanted to talk about a delivery method of CBD, which are CBD patches. So, let's talk about what is a CBD patch. CBD patch is basically a protective patch that has a concentrated amount of CBD in it that you can apply over an area for an extended or long period of use. So if somebody asks you what is the easiest way I can ever try CBD, the simple answer is CBD patch. It's a no-brainer. There is no complicated method of delivery here. All you need to do is take out the CBD patch, which looks something like this. So as you can see, that is the patch. So the CBD reservoir is on the other side. You simply remove the patch, which looks like that, and you apply it over your skin. It's that simple. There is no complicated math involved here. There is no technique involved here. Nobody needs to be trained. So this is the easiest way somebody can get CBD into their system. So this is the least complicated way to try CBD. So on one hand, where this is the least complicated way to try CBD, it is also one of the most effective ways of getting CBD into your system. So let's talk about what are some of the advantages of using a patch over, like, let's say a tincture or gummies. So tinctures or gummies, you would eat them. They would go through your digestive system and they would pass through what is called the first pass metabolism. And when this happens to any drug, it loses its bioavailability as well as it goes through all of this unnecessary pathway where you don't really need the drug to go. Because if you're, let's say, using this patch on your deltoid muscle because your shoulder has been hurting, you don't need this drug to pass through your pinky. So that's the number one reason why CBD patches are very effective, because they are a very localized method of delivery. So the number one advantage of a CBD patch is it bypasses the whole body effects, thereby it suppresses whole body side effects or unwanted effects that you don't want. So it is a local method of delivery that directly affects the area and the local area around it and doesn't pass through your entire body. So the second advantage of a CBD patch is it's very quick to start its effect. So if you're wondering how does a CBD start its effect, have you ever noticed when you apply cream to your hands, after a couple of seconds, the cream is completely gone? And the reason is our skin is not just one sheet or layer, it's porous. So it has these pores through which product can seep in through. So that is called the transdermal or the dermal method of delivery. And that is exactly what happens for a CBD patch. So the moment you apply CBD patch over your skin, the CBD from this patch directly starts penetrating through the muscle mucosa, through the deep tissue, and it penetrates inside and it starts affecting right away. The third advantage of using a CBD patch, like patches like these, are extended release or up to 48 hours of release. So where a gummy might pass through your system in 8 to 12 hours, a CBD patch has an extended release for up to 48 hours, so you don't have to regularly think about changing it and you don't have to worry about it for 2 days. And the advantage with these patches are most of them are waterproof, so you can apply them and then you can take shower with them, you can go running, you can be sweating with them. So they're very effective for long-term use. So then let's talk about what are some of the conditions in which a dermal patch is very effective. So they're effective for conditions such as pain or local tissue pain. So if you go to the gym and if after a workout you're suffering from spasms or you're suffering from tissue injury or you're suffering from some kind of an inflammation, you can just simply take a patch and you can apply it over the area directly because of the anti-inflammatory properties of CBD, because of the analgesic or the pain-killing properties of CBD, and because of how effective CBD is to stop inflammation. CBD patch is very effective for professional athletes who need help immediately and who need help without intervention of pharmaceutical pills that have so many family of side effects. Another condition in which CBD patches have been very effective are for localized pain conditions such as back pain, sciatica, arthritis pain, or pain that pops up sporadically for chronic conditions. Another condition in which CBD patches are very helpful is for PMS management. So in PMS, if you are suffering from PMS pain, if you're suffering from menstrual cramps, menstrual spasms, or hormonal symptoms, or even if you're suffering from anxiety, stress, or any of these symptoms during your menstruation or PMS, you can easily apply CBD patches over your lower abdominal area, and it will directly administer CBD into the localized area. Thereby, it will start its effect very quickly, and it is not going to have the full body effects. So you can localize this effect and you can use it for an extended use for over 48 hours. So I hope I was able to convince you guys of how useful and how effective and how easy to use CBD patches are. So if you've liked this video, please click on the like button. And if you'd like to watch more of these videos, please make sure to click on the subscribe button. And if you'd like to help us, please share this video with as many people as possible so that anybody out there who's looking for help, who can be helped by using a simple patch such as a CBD patch, can get the help that they need. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.